Welcome, sir. We also would like to extend a warm welcome to the book running lead managers who have been an integral part in the success of this IPO. Please help me in welcoming the Managing Director of Equirus Capital Private Limited, Mr. Manish Agarwal. Welcome, sir. We have here with us, and help me in welcoming the Executive Vice President and Group Head of ICICI Securities Limited, Mr. Ashwini Khare. Once again, a very, very warm welcome to all the dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very rich, a very beautiful tradition in our country where we take blessings from the Almighty before starting a new and auspicious work, and we'll be doing the same right now as well. We have the lamp lighting area, and I request the dignitaries to please come forward. Please help me in welcoming the dignitaries. Srimati Radha Kirtivasan, Mr. Uday Kumar Parekh and family, Mr. Paras Parekh and family. Keep the applauses going. Come on, everyone. Mr. Manish Agarwal, Mr. Ashwini Khare to please come forward. Request Mr. Parekh's families also to please come forward. Mr. Uday Kumar Parekh's family and Mr. Paras Parekh's family to please come forward. Because we cannot proceed without having the Lakshmis of the family. So please, let's give a huge round of applause for the family, the Parekh family, to please come forward. Now we'll be lighting the ceremonial lamp.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotirnamostute, Deepajyotirnamostute. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah.
And that's a cue for us to give a round of applause. Let's have a huge round of applause for them, please. Thank you so much. I request the dignitaries to please take your seats. And with that, this lamp lighting, symbolizes a beautiful tradition. And with this, we invoke blessings from the Almighty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to move forward and to set the tone for today's event, I invite the book running lead manager, the associate director at Equirus Capital Private Limited, Mr. Ankesh Jain. Let's give a loud round of applause for sir, please. Very warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the listing ceremony of Omnitech Engineering Limited. We began this journey with Uday Bhai almost 3.5 years ago, when the company was generating revenue of around 75 crore. Today, it's a matter of great pride to see the company achieve 350 crore in FY25 and 228 crore in 6 months ended September 2025. Over the past 3 years, the company order book has grown from 57 crore to splendid 1700 crore plus. At the same time, Omnitech has consistently maintained a sustainable EBITDA margin of over 30%, reflecting strong operational efficiency and financial discipline. The company has also secured order from industry pioneers such as Schlumberger, Halliburton, Weatherford, and Oshkosh, which is a testament to its strong technical capabilities and growing global credibility. Omnitech benefits from a significant locational advantage with all its manufacturing unit based out of Rajkot, providing convenient access to port and enabling efficient logistics and exports. We truly believe that company's strong performance track record, robust order book, and strategic positioning will continue to drive its growth in the year ahead. On this special occasion, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to the entire Omnitech team for their relentless hard work and commitment. Most importantly, we would also like to congratulate Uday Bhai for his vision and leadership in transforming Omnitech from 75 crore enterprise into a high growth, globally recognized engineering company. This milestone is a reflection of his strategic clarity, execution excellence, and belief in the company's potential. We wish him and the entire team continued success as they embark into this new exciting chapter. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for setting the perfect tone for today's proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to invite the leader who's the driving force behind the company's journey is going to be here to share his thoughts on this momentous occasion. So let's give a thunderous applause for the chairman and managing director of Omnitech Engineering Limited, Mr. Uday Kumar Parekh.
Good morning, all. Jai Shri Krishna. To all dignitary, respected guests, colleagues, partners, friends gathered here today, I would like to give you a very sincere thank you so much and gratitude to the Security and Exchange Boards, NSE, BSEs, and all the Ministry of Affairs peoples, very BRLMs, lawyers, and all the stakeholders who have supported us in these journeys. And especially, Equaras is almost 3.5 years to 4 years, but I know them since almost 6 years more than. So I want to, thank you for all their efforts and everything. And apart from that, I want to thank you to all my mentors who have, given, so it's very specific name is Mr. Parakram Si Jadeja. He was very much behind me for everything. Apart from that, my mothers, my wife, Kinnari, children's, all the family who have supported me. They have never asked, when you are coming and, so many holiday has been lapsed, summer, winter or anything. So I would like to thank you to all that. Apart from that, teamwork makes the great work. So our team, like our Chief Revenue Officers, Mr. Bhavin Acharyas, Haresh Agjas, our Chief Operating Officer for New Businesses, Chief Operating Officers for Chandrasekhar Ji's, and many of the team members, all they have worked to achieve the organization goals. So I like to thank you to each of the guys and total universe who have supported me with the very positive vibes. Today, like I was in the some little breakfast and the people were saying, market is going. So I told I have not checked the market, So all the universe is helping us to achieve something. So especially, I have a very big notes which I have given by the ad factor, but I like to go in little flow. So 2-3 things I like to share with you. One thing is we have to dream in decades and think in years. And we have to live in weeks and days. So these always I like to share to someone. We have to learn how to dream in decades. Rome has not built overnight. But there has to be a print for the Rome. And that has to be in the mind. What level of the Rome we are going to build. So always when we think in the decades, we can achieve. And one more thing I like to share one thing. We call as a disciplined people, disciplined thoughts, and disciplined actions. So religiously whatever we do with a high discipline way. That gives overall, over the time, it's a very good return in terms of the size and everything. So apart from that, I want to thanks to my all dedicated customers. We have so many customers since 18 years we are working with them. See, whenever I'm talking to our sales team, see, our first most important KPI is retain the customer rather than acquiring a new customers. Yeah, obvious we want to grow and we want to keep acquiring more than 100 customers we have added in last 3-4 years. But we have supported in our past journeys. That has always been and when we are trying to set the culture of the organizations to retain the customers for the longer time, that gives you a whole compounding effect in the overall journey. And we would like to thank you to all our new investors and new stakeholders who have given us the very good trust into in this journey. So trust is a very, very integral part of overall ecosystems. And whenever, there is a fundamental called trust versus performance. Okay, like how you are working to build a trust against the index of performance. So there is a Simon Sinek says, like how you are evaluating each of your decisions or each of the actions in the day-to-day life and in the histories. That is all based on I personally believe, it's my personal thoughts, trust is a very important things that has to be built in overall ecosystem and overall stakeholder at a customer levels and like that. And that has not built. Today morning I was talking to Mr. Ankesh ji, like he has lived 3.5 years with overall. So I told, I'm at a 46, so till 65, I like to be at after 20 years, if we are into that relationship, and that relationship is created by the trust on each others. So that is a very important milestone I like to share. Apart from that, today is not a end of the journey, and I truly believe that. This is like I feel, like yesterday, like Adrienne, she is our Chief People's Officer, she was asking me, how you feel? So I feel like overall 18-20 years of one journey, which may be near to the Everest or anything, that has been completed. But we are already on the next journey of decades, has been started. On the already, it is not, we have already reached to a one or second step of that journeys. And yesterday, I was seeing one of the LinkedIn video, one of our customer, Donaldson's, they were listed before 111 years in a New York Stock Exchange. And there was their executive team was on the desk, and there was, I do not know more process, but there was again a process for ringing the bells, and they were doing that. So yesterday I was talking to our CROs and our CFOs. Just 111 year of journey, probably we have started today. And those customer has been started before 111 years. So what I like to share, let's build some which is a more long-term sustainable and more long-term growth oriented. And thanks to, like a BSE, when I came today morning, when I have taken that, I have seen the pictures of the front of that building, I realized I have seen this building in the movies during the time of 80, 85, 90s in some of the. So power of, we called as a manifestations. So try to, see the manifestations, how you can implement positively in your life. And that is one more thing, it can only work which is life being lived by high integrity. So that is the most important things. Yeah, Bakul Bhai is calling me, time is up. So let's move with a humility, confidence, and sad commitment for the excellence. So thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for that very, very heartfelt speech and those notes of gratitude for everyone who shared and were an integral part in your journey. Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, now I'd like to invite the head of listing and SME at BSE, Srimati Radha Kirtivasan. Let's give a roaring round of applause for ma'am, please.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to each one of you as we gather here to celebrate the listing ceremony of equity shares of Omnitech Engineering Limited. Udai, you spoke out of your heart and it was really wonderful to hear you. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the company in taking this bold step, and we welcome Omnitech to our family of listed entities. What started as a partnership concern in 2006 is today a fully grown, soon-to-be listed entity. And what is interesting to note about this is it started in 2006. Within a year itself, the company had its exports. And today, I think over 80% of the company's production is exported. And as Udai said, we have around 75% of the revenue from repeated customers. So that is the trust that the customers have built in the company. Public listing is more than a financial event. It is the beginning of a new chapter, one that reflects the company's performance, governance standards, leadership, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. Listing comes with equal responsibility and accountability. By going for listing, the company has chosen to be in the public eye, and hence, it's a very bold decision that has been taken by the company. As with the success story, the people behind the organization deserve recognition. The leadership of Mr. Uday Kumar Parekh and the other family members, supported by a strong management team, and more than 1,800 employees, has played a very crucial role in transforming Omnitech from a regional engineering company into a globally trusted precision manufacturing brand. So you were saying something about somebody listed over 111 years back. I would like to tell you that BSE has just last year celebrated 150 years of existence. This is Asia's oldest and one of the world's largest exchange, with over 5,600 companies listed on this exchange. Yes, there are many, many more companies that are eligible for listing, and we would like many more companies to use this platform, come list and grow the company. By providing a transparent, efficient, and technology-driven market system, BSE serves not only as a trading platform, but as a committed growth partner for India's ambitious businesses. Our benchmark Sensex continues to reflect India's economic dynamism on the global stage. We wish the company, its promoters, management, all the very best, and congratulate the company, the book running lead managers, the legal counsel, and all the intermediaries who are part of this, making the company achieve this milestone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request you to please be on stage As to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll have an exchange of mementos. Now, I invite from the company, Mr. Uday Kumar Parikh and Mr. Paras Parikh to please come forward as ma'am will present the memento from NSE to the company. Yes. Very warm welcome to both of you. As you can see, we have the iconic BSE gong right here, and ma'am will be presenting it to the gentlemen. This is our cue for a huge round of applause. And now we'll be presenting the banyan tree frame as well from BSE to Omnitech Engineering Limited's management. Let's have a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you, gentlemen. With that, I invite Team Equirus Capital Private Limited to please come on stage. I request Uday sir and Parikh sir to please take your seat. Paras sir and Uday sir, please take your seats. Let's have a huge round of applause. With that, I invite Team ICICI Securities Limited to please come on stage. And with that, I request ma'am to please be on stage. And I request Mr. Uday Kumar Parikh once again to please come on stage, as now we're presenting mementos from the company to our partners and to BSE. Let's have a huge round of applause. I once again request Team Equirus Capital Private Limited to please come on stage to receive memento from Uday sir. Thank you, and thank you, Uday sir, for doing the honors. Now I invite Mr. Paras Parikh to please come on stage to present the next set of mementos. With that, I invite Team ICICI Securities Limited to please come on stage. And I request Team MUFG In Time India Private Limited to please be on standby next to the stage. I hereby invite Team MUFG In Time India Private Limited to please come on stage. I invite Team Bharucha and Partners to please come on stage with the legal counsel to the offer. And I request Team Crawford, Bailey and Co. to please be on standby next to the stage. And also Team Messrs. Dhirubhai Shah and Co. to please be next to the stage. Now may I invite Team Crawford, Bailey and Co., the legal counsel to the offer, to please come on stage. And I request Team Dhirubhai Shah & Co. LLP to please be on standby. Thank you. Now I invite Team Messrs. Dhirubhai Shah & Co. LLP to please come on stage, the statutory auditors, and I request Team Ad Factors to please be on standby. Thank you. And thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Now I invite Mr. Bhavin Acharya to please come on stage. Let's have a huge round of applause for Bhavin, sir, please. And with that, I invite Team Ad Factors, Media and Communications Partner to please come on stage. May we request Sachin sir also to please come forward. Thank you. Now I invite Team MJP Associates, Practicing Company Secretary, to please come forward. Let's have a huge round of applause. I request Bhavin sir to please be on stage. At the same time, I request once again Mr. Uday Kumar Parikh to please come on stage to felicitate Mr. Bhavin Acharya, the Chief Revenue Officer. Very warm welcome, sir. I request Uday sir to please be on stage. At the same time, I request Ms. Bhumi Vadbhana, the Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, to please come on stage. I also request Mr. Ashish Shah and Mr. Shakti Singh Jadeja to please be on standby next to the stage. I now invite Mr. Ashish Shah, the Account and Finance Head, to please come on stage. And Mr. Shakti Singh Jadeja to please be on standby next to the stage. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Shakti Singh Jadeja, the General Manager, to please come forward. And with that, thank you so much. And with that, now I'd like to invite the CEO of Novetro, Mr. Adrian Sansonati, to please come on stage. Let's have a huge round of applause for sir, please.
Thank you, everyone. Today is a huge moment, not just because of the IPO, but because it reflects the hard work, conviction, and execution by the entire Omnitech team. Working alongside Uday is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. He is a wonderful man that has brilliant long-term thinking, combined with humility and a very healthy dose of relentless execution. I'm deeply honoured to contribute my skills, energy and commitment to Uday and to the Omnitech team as we step into this next chapter. Congratulations to everybody who made this possible, and I'm really looking forward to a wonderful journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your best wishes. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Ashwini Khare, Executive Vice President and Group Head of ICICI Securities Limited. Very, very warm welcome. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to thank you all for joining us here today at the listing ceremony of Omnitech Engineering Limited. It's a very momentous occasion for the company and a great milestone in the life cycle of the company. We are all here to celebrate and I appreciate your time here today. I, Ashwini Khare from ICICI Securities, would like to thank the company for giving us this opportunity to partner with them in this journey of making a successful IPO. The issue that got closed last week, amidst the most difficult market conditions, was fully subscribed, and therefore my gratitude to all the investors who came in and participated in the IPO and have joined the family of shareholders for the company. My gratitude also to all the people who made this possible. We've been working on this for the last almost 1 year. And everyone who made it possible, I think my sincere thanks to each one of them, which includes my fellow BRLM, lawyers, auditors, printers, organization, marketing agencies, everyone whosoever has been contributing towards the success of this issue. So my sincere thanks. I would like to congratulate Mr. Uday Parekh and his team for creating such a successful enterprise. I'm very confident that the company will continue to successfully deliver on its commitments and keep on expanding its capacities for its customers and grow into a global enterprise. On this auspicious occasion, on behalf of ICICI Securities and the book running lead manager Aquarius, I'd like to convey my best wishes to the company for its success in all its endeavors in the coming years and creating value for all the shareholders. Last, before I hand it over, I would like to thank SEBI, the regulator, for such a smooth approval process, both the stock exchanges for permitting us to list on their floors, especially BSE for hosting us here today, my BRLMs, etc., legal person, everybody who has contributed towards the success of the IPO. Uday bhai, all the very best, and I hope the company does well in creating the shareholder value in the years to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I'd like to invite forward the whole-time Director and Chief Financial Officer of Omnitech Engineering Limited, Mr. Paras Parekh. Let's give a huge round of applause for sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Ms. Radha Ma'am, Head Listing and SME BSE and other dignitaries, our investors, partners, colleagues, and friends. Thank you for being here on this landmark day for Omnitech Engineering. On behalf of entire leadership team, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to this moment. A listing ceremony is celebrations, but it is also responsibilities. Today is not just about the ringing the gong, it is about referring our commitment to the governance, transparency, financial disciplines, and long-term value creations. I would specially thank to Uday for his trust and belief in me. Uday built this company with courage and convictions. But equally important has been his ability to empower the peoples around him. I am personally grateful for the confidence he placed in me to shoulder the responsibilities of finance and strategy during some of the most critical phases of our journey. His entrepreneurial visions, combined with the grounded leaderships, has shaped the culture of Omnitech. As we step into our life as a listed company, our focus is very clear. First, disciplined growth. We will continue to strengthen our manufacturing capabilities, invest in technology, and enhance the operational efficiencies so that we remain competitive not just in India but globally. Second, financial prudence. Strong balance sheets, healthy cash flows, and prudent capital allocations will remain central to our philosophy. Every rupee deployed will be aligned with the sustainable returns and long-term shareholders' value. Third, the governance and transparency. Being listed in NSE and the BSE brings with its higher standards, and we welcome that. We are committed to maintain the highest standards of disclosures, compliance, and ethical conduct. Fourth, peoples and partnerships. Our more than 1,800 employees are the greatest strength. We will continue to invest in talent development, safety, and the culture of accountability and innovations. At the same time, we will deepen relationships with customers and suppliers who have been integral to our growth. And of course, to our new shareholders, we welcome you in our Omnitech family. We understand that where trust comes expectations. We promise discipline in executions, clarity in communications, and the consistency in the performance. These milestones marks end of one chapter, the entrepreneurial build phase, and the beginning of another, institutional growth with scale, structures, and sustainability. Thank you once again to everyone who supported us in this journey. We look forward building the next phase of Omnitech engineering together. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for presenting the vote of thanks. As you can see, the clock is ticking. We're just 2 minutes away from the listing ceremony. Before I proceed, I would like to quickly invite our dignitaries on stage, and I want roaring round applause for them. Help me in welcoming Srimati Radha Kirti Vasan, Mr. Uday Kumar Parekh, Mr. Paras Parekh, Srimati Induben Parekh, Mrs. Kinnari Parekh, Mr. Ketan Doshi. Come on, keep the applauses going. Mr. Adrian Sansonati, Mr. Bhavin Acharya, Mr. Haresh Akhja, Mr. Chandrasekhar Kuloli. From Equirus, we have Mr. Munish Agrawal. From ICICI Securities, we have Mr. Ashwini Khare, Mr. Karan Parekh, and Mr. Jia Parekh to quickly come on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause for our dignitaries on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're just 1 minute away and 10 seconds before 10 a.m. As we all know, we have to shout together. So, you can keep shooting this, but at all times, please be seated for videography purposes. And just 10 seconds before we'll be shouting, तो हमारी request है कि पूरा room please जोड़ती, 10, 9, 8, 7 आपरे साथे, केसु, क्योंकि we need to show our josh. All right, so everyone, just 30 seconds more to go for 10 a.m. And then you will be seeing that we will be ringing the gong very, very loudly. Okay, so sir is asking, let's ask all the wonderful people here, how's the Josh, everyone? All right, so just 15 more seconds, be ready, but तैयार रहो क्योंकि आपने बहुत जोरती चिल्लाना चाहिए. All right, everyone, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Everyone, here we are officially listed on the stock exchanges of the country. Let's give it up for Omnitech Engineering Limited. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we extend a sincere gratitude to our book running lead managers, our host, BSE. We have a board of directors, shareholders, our wonderful viewers, and all the people present here. Once again, in good intent, good faith, can we have a huge roaring round of applause for Omnitech Engineering Limited, please? And with that, we'd like to conclude this wonderful ceremony. But, the stage is all yours. You can come take a picture with iconic BSE gong. Also, we have the refreshments served here in the F&B area. So please, please, please enjoy the refreshments. Mari request છે કે stage અહીંયા છે, તમે આવીને pictures click કરી શકો, and we also have a wonderful food there. તો તમે ત્યાં જઈને breakfast કરી શકો. Thank you so much. This is Dhwani Karya signing off. Thank you.